Hello, sisters. I want to draw this today. Looks very light and photogenic thin, with a clear and bright makeup like Korean makeup. This is perfect for summer now. Like today's makeup, I want people to feel like that. Is it white and bright? So that's it. Be sure to tidy up the darkness of your face. Sing. Give him a little pat. Makeup should be very light, but it's also very photogenic, don't worry. Then apply powder and don't want it to be too heavy. Or do you want to use a colored cream? Come up directly by hand. I'll match it with this one later. It's a little bit. Brightening of concealer. The whole base makeup will be beautiful. The old rules to brighten the bridge of the lower middle nose, the chin and the T-zone. Repair. We use a brush to slowly feign it like this. Dyeing this powder can only be patted twice. The whole makeup effect will be natural. We first dip the loose powder into the eyebrow part with a brush. Go and order again, so that there is no flower feeling when you order it. The whole is relatively light and thin. Choose a dark brown eyeshadow here to fill in. Fill the gap between the eyebrows. Use another one. Machete eyebrow pencil. Leave this hair to it to fill. Take a look at this eye cream after painting. The whole is relatively simple to draw. Use this color first. I just got my face done and my blush is gurgling there. Then I found that my voice had no electricity. I'll tell you about the blush later. Flavor milk is really, so thick. Use this color again. Lower eyelid. Here we use this red lip liner first. Trace. After going back to the eyelash curler, use the black glue handle. And this inner eyeliner. Let you trace. Let him feed softer. And it pulls a little tail out from under me. Don't rub it too long. I'll have one of those big Aegyo-sal too. Penalty kick. Duan can light up the hottest red envelopes here. You put a false eyelash. 6 to 8 millimeters is basically invisible, but I will feel that your eyes are more energetic. Brush it. Oh, please keep your eyeballs and show them to me. Open your eyes and look further away. I just repainted the eye makeup here. Put your makeup back on. Let's put on some blush. I started with 10 more orange colors. Hand paint. If so, I'll use a more pink color. Or this. This red is dealt with in the face window. My role just now, parents dislike it. Blackheads can also be pulled a little bit. I'll iron it for you a little bit. I'll set the makeup partially. The words of the lantern are mainly the nose. The grooming here is a little emphasized. He's tracing out the structure. The luster that should be there should still be. Go here and get a little highlight first. Nose. Chain pendant. You can use a pink and white matte light a little bit. Just highlight that. I chatted about this lip shape. Let's take a look at one first. Very bright color base. CO1. The restored word can also be added with blood according to the brush of the blush.